It's informative. It's healthy. And it's the news. Welcome to the Health Connection. This week's web episode is Excellence in Women's Healthcare.
Good afternoon and welcome to The Health Connection, your source for health information about wellness, nutrition, and more. Today's guest, we have Dr. Patrice Yang.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you.
A primary care physician with Care Resource. Happy that you're here today. We were just speaking about Peace Corps. The quarter is from October 1st up until December 31st. It's Women's Health Initiative, and that's where we are giving free Pap smears for new patients and patients who haven't had a Pap smear in 12 months. So tell us more. Why should a woman, seek out a Pap smear?
Good question. The purpose of a Pap smear is to screen for cervical cancer.
Mm-hmm.
And cervical cancer is caused by HPV, which is sexually transmitted infection.
Mm-hmm.
Not all people who are infected with HPV go on to develop cervical cancer.
Mm-hmm.
It tends to grow at a slow enough rate that if we do regular screenings, we can prevent it from progressing and cure it very easily.
And when do you think a woman should seek it out?
We start screening for cervical cancer at the age of 21, regardless of when the woman started having sex, regardless if she's a woman who has sex with women, regardless as if it's a transgender male who still has a cervix. All of these people should be screened starting at the age of 21.
Interesting. So I know the initiative, a woman, she's eligible for a free Pap smear, obviously very important, lab work, and a free basic exam. What kind of services are provided in this exam?
In the physical exam?
In the
Or
exam
in
itself.
the whole visit. So the screening that we
That's
do,
it, screening.
the screening that we do includes, depending on the age group, but for most women, it will include the Pap smear. It will include screening for anemia, which is important for all women who menstruate, and includes screening for HIV. Along with the Pap smear, we do a pelvic exam.
Why public exam?
Pelvic exam actually is for general wellness. It's not necessary in terms of screening for things like uterine cancer or ovarian cancer. However, it's just part of the standard female exam.
Well, I do thank you very much for being on the Health Connection
Thank you.
this afternoon. Coming up, we have Dr. Odiel Jean-Baptiste.
Committed Care. Your community source for healthcare is Care Resource.
How exciting. We have Dr. Odiel Jean-Baptiste on the Health Connection today. I remember when you first started Care Resource, like all this, you just won't stop smiling. It's amazing.
It was 2 years ago.
It was 2 years ago?
Yeah, 2 years
Wow,
ago.
amazing. So we're here talking about Women's Health Month, the Women's Health Initiative that ends on December 31st. But like we like to focus on all of one's health, So in addition to, Pap smears, what are some other ways women can, improve upon their health, this time of year?
Okay, before let me tell you, I've been in Care Resource for 2 years. Care Resource now is going up, it's getting bigger,
Totally.
and so many offices for Care Resource,
Mm-hmm.
and Broward, Little Havana, and Miami. You have more than 2-3 offices in Miami. But in Care Resource, we have many doctors. We have pediatricians. We have me personally. I have a family practice doctor. Now for women health for this month, we can do a lot of things. After the Pap smear that you can do, the screening for blood tests like glucose, anemia, we can do. We can offer also screening for mammogram.
What's really great about what you're saying is that if if I was a woman in South Florida, you know, I have basic needs, you know, that need to be taken care of. You know, if women with children, for example, I know we have a pediatric program at Care Resource. Yes, that's growing, and we have it at the Little Havana office and all offices, really.
Yes, yes, we have an office that people can go. Any woman can go at any time. Now they will have free services, and for women with no insurance. With insurance also, they will see how we can help those people also.
So the sliding fee scale it helps, you know, women, you know, families
With
you know,
family with no insurance,
costs, no insurance,
with low cost, or could be zero, or could be a little like $10, and now they can have all the services that they want.
I know we also have a nutritionist too.
We have the nutritionist. We have a psychologist too, mental health counselor. You have psych, and you have. I told you,
All right,
you have every.
excellence. all I see is excellence. So basically we take care of the full spectrum of women's needs. You know, one comes into our office, there we have, you know, the pap smears, and we have the behavioral health, we have nutritionists, we have services for families, family physician,
Family physician.
Services for, you know, for children.
For children, you have pediatrician in place.
We have great people who are committed and compassionate and competent with great backgrounds.
Well, since at the beginning, since the front decks, we have nice people working the front decks. And when you go to the back to see the PCAs also, they are really, really nice.
The people at the front desk are super nice.
Super nice.
Because actually, Care Resource, as you said, we have offices like Fort Lauderdale, Little Havana, Midtown, Miami Beach, and down in South, over by Mercy Hospital now, Dr. Efren Garcia.
Yeah, Dr. Efren Garcia, the office of Efren Garcia also. Now Care Resource is taking over the office also. That means Care Resource now, I think Care Resource in Florida, and is a big help for, not only for women, but for anyone who needs.
That's true, but you know, there's a jingle that goes, Care Resources, the medical home for all those most in need. Well, I do thank you very much for being on the Health Connection today. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Patrice Yang. Oh, stay put. Make sure to visit www.careresource.org for more information, or telephone us at 305-576-1234. Make sure to check us out during the next Health Connection show, which will be in the end of this month. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
It's hard to save money when the cost of living keeps going up, or when life takes an unexpected turn. Don't break the bank on your next healthcare visit. Let Care Resource help you keep your piggies in the bank. Pay only what you can afford with our unique sliding fee scale, so you can keep saving for his new play toys. Compassionate, competent, and committed care. Your community source for healthcare is Care Resource.
Watch the Health Connection live feed show on Facebook and YouTube every other Wednesday at 1 for your dose of informative, healthy news. Don't forget to like us on Facebook at facebook.com/Care Resource, or follow us on Twitter at Care Resource FL, or subscribe at youtube.com/Care Resource. For more information or to find a location near you, visit us online at careresource.org.